Welcome to MyLITV. From Manhasset to Montauk, we have traveled our communities to bring you the following events. I'm your host, Waldo Cabrera. MyLITV starts now.
I'm a member of the Environmental Sciences Department and we're interested in a number of things connected with climate. More specifically, the group that I'm involved in is interested in understanding the carbon cycle. There is absolutely no debate that CO2 concentration has been rising rapidly since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, and really no debate that it's going to be up to 550 parts per million by about 2050. The questions are how are plants going to respond to that higher CO2 concentration, and how does that affect the 30% subsidy that they're currently giving us? And also, we don't really know what's going to happen beyond 550 as well. The high temperature and increased drought is really negative for ecosystems and plants in general and crops. What is positive for them is the rising CO2 concentration. It increases their photosynthetic rate, which means they take up more carbon dioxide and turn it into sugars and can grow more. And they also become more water use efficient as well. They generally use less water. Plants basically grow bigger under high carbon dioxide. The places where we've been doing these experiments, they're called FACE experiments, and this stands for free air carbon dioxide enrichment. And this is a way of growing plants at a high CO2 concentration, which is the concentration which we're projected to hit at around 2050. And you do that in their natural ecosystem or on the farm without any manipulation of the ecosystem or the conditions in which the plant are grown. For example, by using a growth chamber or something like that. A group at Brookhaven developed this technology, and how it works is you have a ring of vent pipes surrounding either a forest or a crop, and then you have a sensor which senses the wind speed and direction, and also the CO2 concentration in the middle of that plot. And depending on that concentration, it will release CO2 on the upwind side of the plot, and then it blows across, the air currents will blow the CO2 across the plot and maintain a concentration. My research group is trying to understand the carbon and nitrogen balance in these plants. When they're getting all this extra CO2, they need to match it with nitrogen and other nutrients in order to have a sustained growth and a sustained photosynthetic response, and my group's been trying to understand that process over a number of years. One of the problems, I think, with trying to get people excited about this issue is that it's a creep. It's just slow creep. And until there's a crisis situation, people don't seem to act. And unfortunately, if we wait until there is a crisis, it'll be too late to do anything about it. We got a window where we can get serious about this and have a go at fixing it. And I truly believe that we can do that. We just haven't put all of the countries and all of the world's resources into solving this problem like we've attempted to solve other problems like moon projects, for example.